If you are struggling with your dryer vent, this product is genius. So first of all, I want to say I have seen these in the stores and they are not this heavy. This is crazy heavy. There's even a magnet warning in the instructions because the magnet is so strong. So first of all, let's just look at how strong the magnet is. It's hard to get apart. That's how strong it is. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to put it together here and it's a little startling. So keep your fingers out so I can start to feel it right there pulling. Holy cow. It is a strong magnet. Like I am pulling with all my hand grip and it will not come apart. So here's what you do. It's super simple concept. So this portion with the 4 holes, you're going to use your anchors and your screws, and that's going to go right on your wall. So that stays right on your wall no matter what. Okay. And then this part is what attaches to the expandable hose. And obviously you won't have to expand it too much, just only enough to go from the wall to your dryer. So you're not going to have this snaking, this stuff behind your dryer anymore, which I love. This goes on here. You'll put that right around there. It fits there. This will actually, so you'll put this, and then you'll work this clamp around the edge here, and you'll just twist this to tighten it down. So then your hose is tight to your device. Now, on this side, the same thing. You're going to put this on the exhaust of your dryer. You're going to put this over the exhaust, and then you're going to tighten it down, and you will have no air escaping, no hot air escaping into your laundry room. So once you have this all attached, this is going to be on the wall. You literally, I don't even think you'll have to manually connect it. If you even put it close, it's going to snap together just like that. So I am so excited to get this on my dryer. I've seen these for years and just never bit the bullet. And I'm so excited that I finally did. I love how sturdy this one is. It was a great choice. So I hope that this was helpful if you're looking for a device like this. And I hope it solves the problem that you're looking to fix.